So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize quick settings in your Android smartphone. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to edit the quick settings in your Android smartphone, scroll down your notification bar completely. Here you can see three dots in your right corner of your Android smartphone. Click on the three dots, click on the edit tiles. Here you can see more functions, various functions available in your Android smartphone. You can just add them simply clicking on the add. For example, just add assistive bell. Let's add link to Windows, and here you can see it is added. You can also just drag and keep it here. You can drag and keep anywhere you want, and you can simply remove by clicking on the minus sign, and you can see it is removed. You can also rearrange by dragging and keeping as you wish. Simply click on the back, and here you can see the changes you have made. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.